Hello, teacher. Are you busy? I need to talk to you. Who is it? Oh, hello, Michael. Come in. I'm not busy now. Good morning, teacher. I'm sorry to bother you. I just wanted to know when the exam will be. Don't worry, your final exam will be next week. I think on Thursday or Friday. Okay, thank you. I will study hard to get a good score. This time, I fully prepared for exam. Michael, wait a minute. Are you okay? You look a little sad. What happened? Well, do you remember I told you I was going to have an interview to get a new job? Yes, I remember. You were very excited about that. I think you didn't get it, did you? No, I didn't. I needed to make a presentation in English, but I couldn't. I understand, but you were practicing a lot. I remember I even helped you with that. I know, but I couldn't. Every time I want to speak in English, something happens to me. I get scared. I can write, listen, read, or even speak. But not like this. When I have to speak in front of other people or make an important presentation, I just can't. Don't worry. You are learning English, and that's part of the learning process. And now I'm going to help you with that, okay? Believe it or not, I have been teaching English for more than 15 years. I didn't know that. Yes, please help me overcome my fear of speaking English. If you are afraid of making mistakes while speaking English, why not practice on your own first? By preparing and practicing, you can boost your confidence. Many students don't realize that even people who seem naturally talented actually prepare and practice a lot. However, remember that it takes time and overnight success is unlikely. Invest your time and energy into practicing, and you will see improvement over time. Something that helped me a lot when I had to learn a new language was speaking to myself in front of a mirror. I would ask and answer questions. I know it sounds strange, but it's really helpful. If you have friends or relatives who speak English, or are also learning English, ask them to practice with you. It's a great way to practice the language. But I don't have many friends who speak English or relatives who study English. Why don't you try finding some friends online? Nowadays, we have the internet and you can join language learning communities. There are many of them available. What better way to improve your language skills and get support from peers than by joining a friendly community? You can find numerous English learning communities on YouTube and Facebook. Just search and find a group that suits you best. Oh, and this is really important. Speak slowly, especially if your English level is not advanced. There's no need to pretend it is. Sometimes we want to show off and speak very fast in front of others to prove our English skills, but doing that will likely lead to mistakes. Speaking slowly gives you more time to think about what you want to say. It will calm your nerves and help develop your fluency. Seriously, it's true. Speaking slowly also creates a positive impression, making it easier for you to build relationships. Whenever you communicate in English, remember to smile, speak slowly, and have a friendly and open expression on your face. Over time, you can gradually increase your speech speed. And related to that, it's important to stay calm when you speak in English. But I have one more problem, sir. When I speak English, I make a lot of mistakes. Forget about perfection. You need to make mistakes if you want to improve your English language skills. Making mistakes is one of the best ways to learn English. They will show you the areas you need to focus on to improve your English. It's simple. If you are not making mistakes, you are not growing. Remember that. What I also consider important is that when you make mistakes, just keep speaking. Many psychologists say that one of the most effective methods for overcoming fears and anxieties is to gradually expose yourself to them. The more we do something, the less fear we have towards it. So, my best advice to overcome the fear of speaking English is to speak it regularly. The more you speak in English, the more confident and comfortable you will become. So, no matter how foolish you may feel when making mistakes in English, just keep speaking. Even if you make mistakes, I'm sure you can overcome your fear. With these tips, do you think I will finally overcome fear of speaking English? Will I be able to get a better job and earn more money because of it? Well, these tips are important, and yes, they will help you overcome your fear of speaking English. But you also need to work hard on it. Just practice every day. Fantastic! Thank you so much, teacher. You are the best. Can you give me more tips about how to improve my English? Please, they are really helpful. Sure, but maybe some other time. Now we run out of time. I have to go home. My wife is waiting for me. We planned to go for dinner at a restaurant. Oh, that's great. Then you should leave, sir. Thank you for your help, sir. Bye-bye. You are welcome, Michael. I'm glad I could help. Don't hesitate to come to me anytime you need assistance with your English or any other subject. And yes, I'll definitely share more tips to help you improve your English in our future sessions. Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful evening. Goodbye for now.